Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to English School, and this is Ariful Assistant Teacher of English, National International School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English literature class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, poem halfway down, sit down. Let's see our today's class. Date. This is today's date, time of your class 3. Subject English literature, topic poem halfway down, CW. Lecture-05 is the will be fine. Teacher Ariful, and this is my mobile number. So dear students, open your book, open your buzzword book, open your new success with buzzword book coming to English for schools in course book 3 and go to page number 12, halfway down. So we will read the poem for first time. After that we will write. So this is poem halfway down. The writer of the poem is A. So halfway down the stairs is a stair. So halfway down the stair is a stair where I sit. The boy is sitting here. There isn't any other stair quite like it. I'm not at the bottom. He's not at the bottom. I'm not at the top. He's not at the top. He's not at the bottom. He's not at the top. So this is the stair where I always stop. Okay, let's write. Okay, dear students, let's write the poem. First, you have to write the title of the poem. Half is will be capital, half, way, and D will be capital. D-O-W-N. So in the title, H will be capital and D will be capital. Halfway down. Then you have to write. It's good to write the writer's name after the title. A. Milne. The writer of the poem is A. Milne. So, halfway down, this is the title of the poem. A. Milne is the writer. Let's write. Then, first letter of a sentence will be capital, as you know. Halfway down the stairs. D-O-W-N. Down there. Stairs, S-T-A-R-S, halfway down the stairs. Then again, first letter of a sentence will be capital. Is a stair, S-T-A-R-R. So halfway down the stair is a stair where. So W will be capital, where I sit. Okay, single I always will be capital letter. Remember that. Where I sit, there is a full stop. Okay. Next, there isn't any. So T again T will be capital. First letter is the sentence. There isn't any. There isn't any other stair. O will be capital again. First letter. Other stair. There isn't any other stair. Quite, Q-U-I-T. Q will be capital. First letter of a sentence. Quite, like. Then again, eat. First letter of a sentence will be capital letter again. And then full stop. So there isn't any other stair. Quite like, eat. Then I have to write. I'm not at the bottom. There's the apostrophe here, then N. I'm not at the bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M. I'm not at the bottom. There is a comma here. Put a comma here. I'm not at the top. So I'm not. You have to put an apostrophe here. This is I am, short form of I am. I'm not at the top. I'm not at the top. So there is a colon here. So this is the stair. S will be capital. So this is the stair. So this is the stair where W will be capital, where I always S-T-A-L-O-W-A-Y-S. Stop. S will be capital. S will be capital and full stop at the end. So this is the poem, my dear students. Let's read again. Halfway down, first write the title, then write the writer's name, the poet's name, A.A. Milne. Halfway down the stairs. Can you see please the first letter of a sentence, all letters will be capital. Halfway down the stairs is a stair where I sit. There isn't any other stair quite like it. I'm not at the bottom, I'm not at the top, so this is the stair where I always stop. So this is our today's lesson, my dear students. Your SW will be SW5. Submit on Saturday. SW is poem halfway down. SW is poem halfway down. Please write 13 lines. Please write 13 lines. SW5 poem halfway down, 13 lines. SW5. So my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Have a great parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.